Hello, beautiful souls. There goes Kate. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel. Say hi.
Hello.
There was no workout today. I do apologize. Yesterday and today were very, very busy. As I said before, I will be posting videos hopefully 3 times a week. Today is Tuesday. We had a brunch with the ladies that I used to teach in my morning classes. So we went to have a great lunch with the ladies. And I was hoping to record this evening, but instead, Mother Nature had other plans. It started snowing about 3 o'clock. So I'm going to make my family some gumbo and just have a chill day. This is the second time this year we have snow, which is very strange for El Paso, Texas. Mother Nature needs to make up her mind. Let's go see the snow, Kaylana. Ready? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yeah.
We were trying to watch the news, but the weather's making it glitch. Come on, Luna. Let's go outside. Let's go see.
Warm.
You're warm?
Yes, I'm the warmest in the house.
If it keeps snowing, you'll have some more snow in the morning. Go, Luna. Look at this. Look at this guy outside in shorts and a Oh my goodness. Oh, you're gonna make a snow angel? That's cute. Look at all the snow. El Paso, Texas. What's today's date? What's today's date at school? Kaylana. What's today? February what?
11.
February 11th. It's it's non-stop snowing. You're gonna throw a snowball at the dog. Oh my goodness.
Is this Luna's second snow?
Yeah, it's her second snow and she's going cray cray. Go, Luna.
No. Look at what it is.
Yeah, be careful. All right, guys, let me go back inside and check on the food. Look at this crazy guy. Don't slip. Boy, go put on some clothes. You're so cray cray. Kayvon, go put some clothes on for real. Look at this guy. Let me go check on the food. Be right back. So I am making some gumbo today. We have the chicken cooking, the rice. Oh yeah, the rice is cooking. Making some gumbo. Kaylana, come inside now.
I can't feel my hand.
You gotta come inside, baby. Luna's already inside. Luna! Be careful. You're like a little Eskimo girl. Come in. Step on the towels.
Snowballs are kicking.
Later. Step on the towels and dry off.
Hey, Mom.
Save him right there on the side and we'll get him in a little while, okay?
He's outside.
Go get him. He's outside?
Yeah.
He's not outside. I don't know who's yelling. Oh my goodness. It's a lot of snow. Come inside, baby. Let's finish making dinner.
Where's Cable?
Kayvon's in the house already. So I like to brown my chicken because I think it gives it a little bit of extra flavor. And then I add garlic salt to it while it's cooking. So the rice is done. This is browning. And then next I'm going to cook my sausage. All right, so the sausage is nice and cooked. Ooh, yeah. Of course, I like to cook it a little extra. So now to make the roux, we're gonna add about a little more than a cup of oil. And then we're gonna add about a cup of flour. And we're gonna just stir that all up. keep stirring it until it turns into a chocolatey mix. Be right back. Remember, keep stirring it until it turns chocolatey. Be back. So keep stirring. You want your roux to get a chocolatey color, darker chocolate than this. All right, I think we are chocolatey. It looks lighter on this camera than it really is. So now we're going to add the bell pepper, onion, and celery to the mix. Oh yeah. Oh yup. Stir that up. Look at that. So now I'm gonna add the sausage. All right, so we've let that simmer for a little bit, and now we're gonna add these sausage. Sausage, let's go. One more. And let's stir that baby up. I'm gonna stir this up together and let it cook para un poquito tiempo. We're gonna let it cook for a little bit. Hey girl, where are you going? What you got? What is it? You don't like pineapple? Yeah. All right, we're gonna let that cook for just a little bit, and I'm gonna get the cornbread ready. And nothing goes better with a gumbo than some Jiffy's cornbread. So Jiffy's cornbread is 3/4 cup milk, 1 box of Jiffy's, 1 egg, and I like to add sugar to make that cornbread taste just right. All right, that has simmered down, so now we're gonna add 32 ounces of chicken stock up in here. Let's go. Una más. Chicken stock, 2 of them. Right here. I like to use the unsalted because then you don't want it to get too salty. So then we're gonna stir this up. You're gonna see your roux break apart, but that's okay because you're gonna cook it for a little while, so it'll get back down. Now the seasonings, 1 tablespoon of Tony's saccharin. Is that how you say it? Saccharin. 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Just gonna stir it all up and let that cook for a little while before we add the chicken. So I'm gonna get this to boil, and because I add unsalted chicken stock, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of garlic salt to it. And then taste it as you go along, and if you feel you need more salt or more garlic powder or more Tony's, you know, flavor it as you wish because everybody likes it a little bit different. And last, we're gonna add the chicken. Usually I add shrimp, but I forgot the shrimp today, so it'll be chicken and sausage. Oh yeah. Delicious. So we're gonna let that cook, wait on the cornbread, and voila. When you really want shrimp in your gumbo, you go get shrimp, no matter what the weather is, for your gumbo. Oh, it's Valentine's. We need to get some shrimp. Shrimp. Yay. Why is that?
The little one?
Yeah.
What is so pretty?
Oh yeah, let's get the extra small shrimp. Fuzzy gumbo. Gotta cook quick, and I gotta worry about no tails. And there you have it. Gumbo is ready. So remember, went to the store and we got some shrimp because I could not have gumbo without shrimp. Can't forget the cornbread and gumbo. All right, guys, time for me to enjoy some gumbo. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the snow. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I tried my best to make the gumbo from scratch, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.